Transforming your walls with fresh paint can be a rewarding project, and with the right steps, you can achieve professional-looking results. Start by preparing your space. Lay down a tarp to protect the floor, tape off trim, and remove any wall-mounted items. Clean the walls with a damp rag and fill any cracks with spackle, sanding it smoothly afterward. Apply primer for a better paint finish, using a roller for large areas and a brush for edges. Once dry, mix your paint and begin by cutting in with a brush at the edges before using a roller in a W pattern for even coverage. Typically, 2 to 3 coats are necessary for a uniform finish, so ensure proper lighting to spot any uneven areas. After the final coat dries, remove the tape carefully, inspect your work, and reinstall any fixtures. Finally, clean your tools thoroughly to ensure they last for your next painting project. Enjoy your newly painted walls.